Welcome to Frontline Fight Against Hunger. Frontline is a coalition providing nutritional assistance to the elderly citizens of Central Illinois. It's Monday, July 6, 2020. My name is Annette Ray. Today we are going to talk about why the elderly residents of Illinois are going hungry and what Central Illinois Area on Aging is doing to address that issue. By the year 2030, there will be 29 million residents in the state of Illinois that are 60 years old or older. Many of these residents will no longer be able to provide proper nutrition for themselves. The lack of nutrition and associated weight loss will contribute to the decline in health and the decline in physical activity of the elderly. There are many reasons the elderly are going hungry. One reason is the lack of transportation to get to the store to buy food. Another reason is their lack of income. Many other bills require payment before food can be purchased. Army veteran Eugene Milligan is 75 years old and blind. He uses a wheelchair since losing half his right leg to diabetes and gets dialysis for kidney failure. And he has struggled to get enough to eat. Earlier this year, he ended up in the hospital after burning himself while boiling water for oatmeal. The long stay caused the veteran to be taken off the route for home-delivered meals. He then had to rely on others, such as his son, a generous off-duty nurse, and a local church to bring him food. The Central Illinois Area on Aging has seen recent declines in the health of its elderly citizens. Recently, a 72-year-old man was hospitalized with dehydration and malnutrition due to his inability to shop for food due to the pandemic. The age group from 65 to 74 is the fifth largest population in each of the 5 counties covered by the Area on Aging. Frontline Fight Against Hunger and the Central Illinois Area on Aging have developed a program to fight against hunger in the elderly population. Monday through Friday of each week, the Area on Aging delivers nutritionally balanced meals to its elderly citizens. The goals of the Area on Aging are to locate the ones in need, provide assistance, and increase health and happiness. On Monday, July 20, the Jones County Health Department will offer one-on-one counseling with the qualifying citizens and their families to determine health and nutrition needs of the participants. Registration will be held July 21 and 22 from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. each day in Room 6 of the Health Department. The Health Department is located at 456 Rose Road, Morrison, Illinois. The delivery of the nutritionally balanced meals to the elderly residents of the Area on Aging will begin August 1st. Call now to find out what you can do to help make sure the elderly residents of your county are fed and happy. Thank you for listening to today's Frontline Fight Against Hunger report on elder hunger in the state of Illinois. You can visit our website at fighthunger.org for more information.